Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the currency conversion formula in Google Sheets. It's super easy. Before we go straight to the point, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, helps tremendously with creating new content, and let's get started. We want to convert this 1000 USD to AD, United Arab Emirates dirhams, to Indian rupees, Indonesian rupees, and Great British pounds. We are going to click on this cell starting with AD, and we are going to say equals this cell, the $1,000, times, we're going to use the Google Finance formula. So we're going to start typing and we're going to select the Google Finance formula. And now we're going to open quotation marks. We're going to type currency all capital. We're going to add a semicolon. We are going to add the abbreviation of the starting currency, so USD. And we're going to add the abbreviation of the currency we want to convert, so AD. And we're going to close the quotation marks and close the brackets, press enter, and voila. Now, obviously, we need to format it as per the currency, so I'm going to select the cell, click here on the formatting, click custom currency, and I need to find United Arab Emirates dirham, apply, and here we go. Let's do it a couple more times. So let's say Indian rupee equals, again, starting with USD times Google Finance. We open a quotation mark, we type currency, all capital, semicolon, starting currency abbreviation USD, what we want to convert to, INR, close the quotation, close the brackets, press enter, and here we go. And now obviously we need to format the cell. So I select the cell and I'm going to say custom currency, and this is Indian rupee. And here we go. Now I don't want to keep basically doing that, meaning typing the entire formula. So I'm just going to copy and paste, for example, here. Now, a couple of things if you do that. So because we didn't lock the cell, we need to make sure that we are using this cell to get started, and we're going to change basically here the INR to IDR for Indonesian rupee, and we are also going to format everything accordingly. So this is going to be Indonesian rupiah, and I'm going to do this for the British pound. So again, we start with this one. We're going to change IDR to Great Britain pound, and we're going to format this correctly, so British pound sterling, and here we go. That's how easy it is to use the Google Finance formula. This is the currency conversion formula in Google Sheets. Don't forget that you need to use the abbreviation. You start with the currency that you want to be converted, then the currency that you need to convert to. I have the formula also in the video description. Hope you like the video, you solved your problem. Thank you for watching and have a great day in any time zone.